looks different. Alright, my plan, halfway in, we go to the second floor.
I think we're on the lower vehicle deck.
Whoa!
Or maybe we're the upper. No, I think we're the lower vehicle deck.
What was that? Whoa. I went a little more up.
PD. We're on PD.
PD. Whoa.
The passenger deck. Come on.
Oh.
That's what we're looking for.
Okay, this is shorter fluorescent lights, but still fluorescent lights. This is still fluorescent lights, just a little shorter. Okay, yeah, you won't be able to tell. A video like back there. Caution tape. Gonna go check that out. There's an exit. But for what?
You're gonna do it again. Okay.
Do what again? Whoa. So you think we're moving?
Yep. Can't go.
Ferry rides at night are a completely different vibe.
What?
Ferry rides at night. Wait, this is the back.
There we go. Record that. We're literally pulling out.
That's how a ferry leaves, guys. What? It just got way dark.
Still recorded, DJ.
There we go. Coming through the depths of a night ferry ride.
And then the pan around like that.
Dabba dabba, dabba dabba,
Give me.
fine.
Welcome aboard the Washington State Ferry. The following message is important safety announcement. For security reasons, we ask that passengers not leave any backpacks, luggage, packages,
Yep.
or other personal belongings unattended during this crossing. On arrival at our final destination, all passengers must disembark the vessel. In the event of a shipboard emergency, signals will be sounded on the ship's general alarm, followed by the same signals on the ship's whistle. You may also see rotating amber beacons indicating an emergency situation. If this should occur,
This is
you
like
may
the
be asked to
bathrooms.
proceed to one of the passenger assembly stations, which are located at both ends of the main passenger cabin. Please follow all instructions given by the crew. Life jackets may be found underneath bench seats in the passenger cabin, in lockers on the sun deck, and on the car deck in drop-ins located at both ends of the vessel. To learn more about donning the life jackets or other shipboard emergency responses, ask any crew member or review the information at the passenger assembly station.
Oh,
Passengers who may have special needs during an emergency should identify themselves to any crew member upon boarding. If you have any questions, please stop by the ship's office or ask any crew member. In accordance with state and federal laws, smoking and vaping are prohibited on board any Washington State ferry. Lastly, all alcoholic beverages must be consumed in the galley. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy your trip.
Welcome to the Washington State Ferries. As we work together
very
to ensure
frugal.
our ride today is safe and enjoyable, please be advised Washington State Ferries has a zero-tolerance harassment policy. For the safety, security, and comfort of passengers, crew, and galley employees, The use of abusive or offensive language to WSF crew members or fellow passengers is strictly prohibited. Violating this
That
policy
is
may
cool.
lead to a time-specific no trespass order by law.
That's Boeing over there.
Oh, cool.
Shot film.
What should I film? Why do you want me to pan around?
So that you get a feel for it. Instead of walking with the phone pointed at the fucking ground.
I have pointed like this. Squeaky feet. Huh.
Which elevator did we come up?
That's some very thin fluorescent lights. That's still fluorescent lights, right? They're just a little thinner.
Look. Bulbs are long.
Yeah, so that's fluorescent.
Is it?
Yeah. That's a lemon space. £10 dry chemical fire extinguisher, fire exit 56. Interesting. Yeah, that's definitely for fluorescent lights. They're just a little thinner. Like that, it looks like the back rooms, bro. We're on a ferry ride at night. Ferry ride at night. What the? That's strangely liminal. Alright, welcome back. We should get a nice view of the yeah. Whale trail.
Oh yeah, that's right. Because I remember that broken window.
They get kind of wider over here.
I wonder what happened.
Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Why is it always the ones at night that are more calm and cooler? Community. Still have a bunch of kids from other ferries. Still got them.
You want to sit here?
No, let's sit where we get to see the water.
I want to sit where it's cold.
I want to sit where we get to see the water. Okay, close enough. That's wonderful. Well, you look very VHS-y in the window.
I do.
Yeah. So do I. VHS-y? Where'd you find that? Whoa. That's dark. That is dark. Well, I'm gonna go over here again. Where it's very dark and possibly windy. Oh yeah. Windy for sure. Yep. Windier than the last time. Cool. And also, you see the water? It's cool. It's forcing me to take steps back. Yeah.
Get back down to the car show. I'm going to make the announcement in a minute. Feel that?
Is it like wobbly? Oh yeah. It is. Okay, elevator time 2. Last glimpse of the ferry. For like 4th glimpse of the elevator. Ding.
There we go.
Yeah. 2. Oh, more people.
Oops, sorry.
There's more people. A lot
It's
of
scary.
people.
I said, don't.
Ton of people. What? Whoa.
Your attention, please. We are now arriving at our destination. Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings
so we just made it
before
on
disembarking the
time.
vessel. Drivers and passengers, return to your vehicles. For safety and health reasons, do not start your engine until directed by a crew member.
No, it wasn't.
Walk-on passengers will disembark using the overhead walkway from the main passenger cabin.
Oh. Disembark the vessel. Disembark the vessel. Disembark the vessel. Vessel.
We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Disembark the vessel. Disembark the vessel. Disembark the vessel. Disembark the vessel. Keep clear. Keep clear. Disembark the vessel. When bell rings, go to your section. And it's like, there's our car.